Hey there! Check out the 2024 upgraded waterproof cordless electric spin scrubber with 8 versatile brush heads for every cleaning task. It features a powerful 2600 mAh rechargeable battery that offers up to 90 minutes of continuous use. The adjustable stainless steel handle extends to reach high ceilings, low corners, and tight spaces effortlessly. Built with IPX7 waterproof technology, this scrubber works perfectly in wet environments like showers and kitchens. Plus, it comes with a handy wall hook for easy storage and a wiper for extra cleaning versatility. This tool makes home cleaning faster, easier, and more thorough than ever before. Get ready to enjoy a spotless bathroom and home with less effort. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.